they kept from Nokia, right?
Yeah,
the people who were the
right.
camera specialists. Not all of them stayed.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Before it starts, almost 7% of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you do enjoy this video and want to see more like it, consider subscribing and you can always change your mind later.
Seriously? Seriously? Oh my god!
They kept from Nokia, right?
Yeah,
the people who were the
right.
camera specialists. Not all of them stayed.
Isn't Didn't they announce a new Android phone that has the Lumia camera bump on it?
Manual recording will now start.
Yes.
I know they had worked with, was it Leica? No, Zeiss to develop lenses for future phones that would be potentially pretty good. I mean, so far,
Well, there's an
What? What the f? Huh? I don't know. That's weird.
He said thanks. He said my if I couldn't. Thanks a lot, and I flipped this off. But it's like, yeah, that's for him.
I don't know.
That's
Oh no.
he's.
What the f is wrong with this guy? I'm not gonna pass him just in case he starts my car.
I know, that's all seriously. Uh-oh, look at that. That's ballsy.
What the f is wrong with this guy, dude? What? Bro. Oh my god!
Oh, oh no. No.